Hi everyone and welcome back for my morning report analysis videos on Tuesday 22nd of May with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Heritage Markets. Let's look at cable. Sterling has underperformed this morning on the back of this terrorist attack, and it's sort of slightly pulled cable lower. Nothing really that's changed the outlook yet. You could argue that this rising 21-day moving average is a basis of support, 29.25. That comes in today's low, 29.50. So yeah, you've still sort of holding on. I mean, looking at these momentum indicators, there is still a positive configuration. RSI holding up above 60, stochastics still rising, and the market yesterday again put pressure on that 30-50 pivot level, that old pivot level that, if I zoom out, is from July, August, September last year. Basis of pivot, and that is again sort of seemingly coming in as resistance in the last sort of few days. It's still a level that's not been broken. A little bit of a dip today, seems to be bought into again. You've sort of, going on the hourly chart, you've still got a positive configuration really. There's nothing overly negative yet. Support continues to come in above 30 on the RSI. MACD lines have unwound, but they're starting to sort of pick up again. Look at those stochastics on the hourly. So there is still no major sort of corrective outlook on cable. That recent dollar, dollar correction and dollar unwinding of the bull market that we had sort of back end of last year, that continues, and subsequently sterling is a bit of a beneficiary on the back of that, but sterling is still an underperformer against, say, the likes of the euro and the yen, increasingly, but sterling against the dollar is still holding up pretty well. So with that in mind, the sort of support that you need to watch out for is 28.90, which is this sort of reaction low that we had last week before sort of pulling higher again, and then the key support being 28.40. Break of that would sort of retest those lows in the band in that sort of trading above that breakout. But yeah, for now, still holding on to the outlook, and a close above 130 big figure, for example, would sort of reopen 130.50 again. So watch out for that. But I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.